How to add wireless Wi-Fi network manually in Windows 10 or 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to open Control Panel. For that, go to the Windows search icon at bottom left corner. Now type in Control Panel and under Best Match, find it. Click on Open, and now you can click on this View to large icon at top right corner of the screen. And once you have done that, locate Network and Sharing Center and click on it. A new window will appear where you need to simply click on Set up a new connection or network under Change your network settings. Again, a new window pop-ups where you need to click on Manually connect to a wireless network and click on Next button. Here you need to enter your network name, that is, type your Wi-Fi network name. And after that, you need to simply choose the appropriate security type. Now enter the security key or password or simply your Wi-Fi password. If the network is not broadcasting, you need to check the box connect even if the network is not broadcasting. And after that, you can simply click on the next button once you are done filling all the credentials on this section. After that, you can easily go to the taskbar and then click on the Wi-Fi icon at bottom right corner. You can easily locate your Wi-Fi network name, select it and click on Connect button. And if prompted, you can enter the Wi-Fi password. Optionally, you can check Connect automatically for future convenience as well. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.